Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Japanese Language. This video for those people who are learning for JLPT N5 and N4 exam. In last class we learned na, ni, nu, ne, no of katakana. Today we are going to learn ha, he, fu, he, ho. Look at here and say ha, he, fu, he, ho. Okay. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, first stroke, second stroke. Ha, ha, ha. First stroke, second stroke. He, 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 he. Okay. Four. This is a single stroke. Okay. You learn no is nani, nu, ne, no, 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 and this is fu. After fu it is he. Same to hiragana. He. He. This is also a single stroke. He. Okay. Next is ho. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. Ho. 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 Okay. Similar to hiragana ha, he, fu, he, ho. We also have alphabet with voice mark and plosive mark in katakana. Pronunciation also same. Ha, ba, pa, he, bi, pi, fu, bu, pu, he, be, pe, ho, bo, po. Okay. Ha, ba, pa, he, bi, pi, fu, bu, pu, he, be, pe, ho, bo, po. So today we learn ha, he, fu, he, ho, and with voice mark it is ba, bi, bu, be, bo, and with plosive mark or handakuten it is pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my video. Sayonara.